I just finished making a video for my YouTube channel, and now I need a thumbnail to highlight my dish. I am going to take you over to this awesome graphic design platform by the name of Canva. Canva allows you to design templates, cards, presentation, and you can even make videos, guys. So let's go on over, and I'm going to show you how to go about making this thumbnail. If you are new here, guys, my name is Sonia. Thanks for coming. Those of you already subscribed, thanks a lot. I appreciate it. Keep coming back for more videos, guys. Support the channel by subscribing, liking, sharing, and all those good stuff. So without further ado, let's head on over to Canva and do this thumbnail. So what you want to do, guys, is to go over here where it says create design. Now we're going to look over here, and here we go, thumbnail. So we're going to click on thumbnail. So now if you look over here to your left, you're going to see all these templates. Some of them are free and some you got to pay. So I have a free version of Canva. So I'm looking for something that is free. And over here you have all your tools that you can create your design with, like your order, if you want to put music, text, uploads, elements, and all of these emojis, and much more down here. So you can, like I said, you can pick any one of these templates over here. Some are for sale, so just be careful. In my case, I'm gonna use a blank template, which is right over here. So what I want to do first is go over here. I want to change my background, so let's click on background here. So these are all your backgrounds, guys. Pick any one you like as long as it is free. If you have the Canva Pro, then you can go ahead and pick, you know, anyone, but just know that you have to pay. Now I like this color. I'm gonna pick on it. So as you can see, it changed my background to this bright yellow color. Now I want to go get one of my images that I have. So I want to scroll down to see which one I want to do. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this Easter bun. So there you go, guys. It is inserted, and also you can just click on it and drag it. So two ways to go about it: drag or just click on it and you're gonna insert it. Now if you look over here, you see all these little handles. You can click on them and you can make your image bigger or smaller, wider, longer, all those good stuff. Now if you want to get out of that, just click anywhere and it. So now I'm gonna move my image and place it wherever I want it to be on my template. So I think I'm gonna make it a little smaller. So just click on it and catch your handles here and just make it a little smaller. So this looks good to me. I'm gonna also place it up here, and also, guys, this little thing right here, you can just grab onto it and you can just flip, turn it around, and do whatever. So right now I just want it to stay as is. Now let's go get another image from my uploads. So here we go. I need to grab an image of myself, so I'm just gonna click on it. And as you can see, it is inserted I'm going to make it a little smaller by dragging the edge down like this. Click on it and I'm going to place it over here. So the sky is the limit with what you want to do with your design, guys. Don't be afraid to play around. So I'm going to make it a little bigger. Now, I'm going to represent my country, Jamaica. So I need to get me a flag. So this is my flag, and I'm going to just make it a little smaller. And for your information, guys, this is Jamaican Easter bun right there you're looking at. So I'm going to grab my flags. I'm going to grab my flag and put it right there. Like what I'm seeing so far. So let's see. I need some text. So I'm going to get an element. So you can click on any one of these guys. If you need triangle, just like a circle. In my case, I'm going to click on this one. It's free. So, you know, you have some, like I said, that you really have to pay for. I don't want to pay, so I'm going to click this free one. And it is inserted here. So now I want it to be, I'm going to move it down the bottom here. I want it to be a little smaller, but longer. So this is what I'm doing. Make it a little narrow. All right, so now I'm gonna place my text there. First of all, I don't like this color, so I'm gonna change it. Click on it. You click up here, and then it's gonna give you all these colors to choose from. In my case, I'm gonna get red. Now I'm ready to place my text over there. So I'm going to go up here where it says text, click on text, and I'm going to choose. So as you can see, guys, you have all these different styles and fonts. I'm going to choose, and look at this. I'll show you something. So if you scroll down, you see, prime example, this is for sale. And you can know because it says Pro and it has this little crown right there. Whenever time you see that, then you know that those are for sale. I don't want to buy at this point, so I'm going to just get one that I like and that I always use. So here is it. So I clicked on it. It's inserted. I don't want this little element right here. I'm going to click on it because I need to take it out. Now I'm going up here and press right here on my garbage can and just delete element. Now it is gone. I'm going to grab it and I'm going to place it right here over my element, my little square there. Now what is happening now, I need to make it a little bigger to accommodate all right. So let's just make this a little bigger by dragging it out like that. See that? Now we have room to work with. Now I'm going to click on my text because I need to write my own text. So I'm going to say Easter bun. As you can see, it is there. I can move it a little down like that. And I like it. But what if I want to have my words, my letters, my words in one line or two? All I have to do is drag it out. Click on it and drag it out like this. See? And you get it to be in one line. Now I have to click on my element to match up with my words. So you see that? So it's all covered and looking uniform like that. Let's drag it out a little more, give it a little space. Yeah, just like that. I like that. Now And you can go ahead, guys, and change the font. Going up here, you can do a lot of things. These are all your tools. What if I don't like my white color? I can just go up here, click on it. I can change it to blue, my text. I can change it to whatever I want. I can do this. You know, just pick on colors that appropriate for your color scheme. And go back and get, let's try. Let's see how this yellow would look. I like that. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it like that. Now, what else? What else can we do? You can put emoji, but I like to keep it simple. If you want to put emoji, you click on emoji right there, and then you can just come over here, get your emoji. Let's see if I can try one that match with my. Yeah. What about one of these? I think this one would work. So all you gotta do is now make it a little smaller. Place it wherever you want to place it. Maybe here. Let's see how it looks. Oh, it's not bad. But I don't know if I want to keep that. It's okay. Let's leave it there for now. And now let's get some. I want to put some music. Click on audio over here, guys. Just like that. And as you can see, we have some free ones here. But down here, these are for sale. So if you want to use those ones, you gotta pay some money. I'm gonna use one of my free ones because I have the free account. Let's see. Morning play. Okay, that's not bad. I think I'm gonna stick with that one. I like it. Okay. So that's it. We have some music, morning snowflakes. Now let's see what else let's animate this. So I'm gonna click on animate, and these are all your animations, guys. Look, and click rise, breathe, stamp. So you can use any one to your liking, guys. I'm gonna click on breathe. I like the breathe. So there you go, guys. This is looking good. I like what I'm seeing. What else can we do? I want to have some shadows on my text. So I'm going to click on my text, and now effects. Let's click on effects. Effects going to take you over here and look at, if you don't want any effects, just say none. Shadow. So let's try to see how it looks. Shadow. So that's what the text would look like with shadow. What about slice? That's how it looks. Let's see. Try another one. Hollow. So you get the drift, guys. So play around and create your own. But in my case, I like shadow. Let's see how it looks. Oh, yeah, I like it, shadow. So I think I'm done. You know, I think that's enough. And now I'm gonna go ahead and download. So let's go over here where it says share. And if you scroll down, you can see download. You can copy link, you can do a lot of things. Sky's the limit, guys. So in my case, I'm gonna download. Let's download. So download. And we downloaded in MP4 video because it is a video that we just made, guys. And in that video, we made a thumbnail. Yes, and over here you can see copy. You can copy this link. So we pretty much, so it's already downloaded. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, wow, that is our thumbnail. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow, I love it. I love it. I love it. So now we are all done with our thumbnail. And that's it, guys. If you are new here, my name is Sonia. Thanks for staying with me. I hope you learned something today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and come back for more videos. Subscribe, guys. Let's grow the channel together. I see you in my next one. Bye bye.